So you're trying to figure out how to buy Polkadot on Coinbase? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step exactly how to do that, both on desktop and on mobile, all right? So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the left side panel so you can see all these different tabs. Now the tab that we want to go to is the tab that says trade, as you can see it right there. So I'm going to click on trade. Now it brings me right over to this screen where I can either just scroll down and find Polkadot right there, or if you're just a person that just enjoys typing it in, just type POLK and then boom, you can see it's right there and it says new once again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this buy button right here, and then you can see you could buy, sell, or convert. But for this video, we're going to focus on buying. So they give you options. You can either buy $10 worth of Polkadot, $50, all the way up to $1,000. And let's say you want to go over $1,000. Then all you got to do is just type it in here, right? So if you want to buy $2,500 worth of Polkadot, that's going to all be up to you. Now, one thing to keep in mind about this, which I'm about to show you, is you can see it says buy Polkadot, which is the one that you're trying to buy, but then it says pay with. Now, this is very, very important. When you actually buy with a card, it's going to appear instantly. But if you knew, one of the things that's going to happen is they're going to kind of limit you on how much you can buy per week or whatever that time period is. Now, when you use a bank account, it could be a whole lot more, right? And then it's also going to be based on, how frequently you're actually buying crypto. And I bought quite a bit of crypto. So that's why, I have a different level of an account. Now, if you have like a newer account, right, you might get hit with the limits, but as long as you're being consistent, that'll go up over time. Okay. So now let me go back real quick. And then now you can see I'm going to be paying with, let me see which one I'm actually paying with right now. So when I hit preview buy, it shows me I'm about to buy $116, $116 and then it shows my payment method. Then it shows the purchase, the Coinbase fee. So they're going to charge me $36 to actually be able to purchase this, and then $2,500 total. So remember what I was saying about the whole, you're going to have to wait longer if you use your bank account. This is what I'm talking about. So it says trade your dot instantly while we wait for your funds. You can send your dot in up to 6 days. Okay, so it's going to take 6 days for them to actually take it out of the account. So the most important thing is to make sure that the funds that you using to buy this, if it's coming from your bank account, understand that you got to have it in there or you're going to have some issues. Okay. All right. So now when you use your card, it's going to just look different, right? Let me show you real quick. So I'm going to pick one of the cards. I'm going to just see. So now when I hit preview buy, watch what happens. You see, it doesn't say anything about me having to wait. I'm going to get the funds easy. So that's the difference between the two. And then all you will have to do, depending on which one you use, is just hit buy now. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to show you how to do this on mobile. All right. So now you can see at the bottom, you're going to see 5 things you can actually click on. All right. So you got home, portfolio, prices, settings. Okay. And then you got the blue button in the middle that points to the left and also to the right. Now, the one we're going to click on is the one that says prices. So I'm going to go ahead and click on prices. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type POLK. And then you should see Polkadot pop up. So we can see that it's down 10% and the price is $20.98. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Polkadot. All right. So we can see $21 now. And all we got to do is literally just go ahead and click on the dot wallet, click on that wallet. And then you see you have no transactions because I've never bought Polkadot on Coinbase. I have bought it on other, exchanges and different things like that. All right. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on buy dot. And then all we're going to do is we literally just going to type how much we actually want to buy. So if I want to buy 100, all I got to do is put 100 in there and it should say preview buy at the bottom. All right, I click preview buy and then it says dot price, payment method, purchase, Coinbase fee, and then $100. And then as you can see, process buy. So it doesn't say anything about the time period because I'm not actually buying it with my bank account, right? Right now, I have the payment method set up for one of my cards. So just keep that in mind when you actually making these purchases, all right? So, and then the last thing you do is literally just go ahead and click on buy now, and then boom, you good to go. So as you can see, it's a very, very simple process. Hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this information was valuable. And if you're ready to use Coinbase so you can start buying Polkadot, definitely go ahead and use that first link down below in the description box. That'll allow you to get access to that. Very, very simple. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.